You're eating the same, you're moving the same, so why has the scale completely stopped? Most people assume their metabolism is broken. It isn't. Here's what's actually happening. When you started losing weight, you were eating less than your body burned. That gap is known as your deficit. But here's the catch. That gap doesn't stay the same size. It quietly shrinks. First, you're now a smaller person. A lighter body costs less energy to run and to move around. So, the calories you burn just by existing drop without you changing a single thing. Second, and this is the big one, you start moving less without even realizing it. Fewer steps, less fidgeting, taking the lift instead of the stairs. Your body is conserving fuel subconsciously. Scientists call this neat, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and it can quietly account for hundreds of fewer calories a day. Add it up, and the deficit you set weeks ago might now be no deficit at all. There's also a sneaky one. The scale itself can lie for a while. Dieting can be stressful, and when you're stressed, your body holds on to more water, which can hide the fat loss that's actually happening underneath. And let's be honest, your portions may creep up. A few extra bites here and there fill the gap back. So no, your metabolism didn't shut down. Starvation mode won't make you gain fat from eating less. Your body just adapted, which means you can adapt right back. Here's how. 1. Recalculate. Your old numbers were for your old body. Update them to suit the weight and activity level you are at now. 2. Move on purpose. Set a daily step target so your activity doesn't silently drift down. 3. Lift weights. Building and holding on to more muscle keeps the calories you burn higher while you diet. 4. Take a planned break. Eating at maintenance for a week or two can ease the stress, drop the water, and reveal your real progress. And whatever you do, don't just keep slashing calories. That only makes the moving less problem worse. Track the weekly trend, not the daily number. Stay patient. You're not stuck. You've just leveled up. If this helped, please consider subscribing. I break down one fitness myth at a time, simply.